Good morning, students. Children, as you know, we are doing different natural disasters in this lesson. We have discussed that there are different natural disasters like floods, drought, earthquake. Today we are going to discuss about cyclone. You all have heard about cyclone or have experienced cyclone. Cyclones are nothing but violent wind or storm. When wind blows in a high velocity, it is cyclone. Now, cyclone are violent storms. They form over oceans and seas and cause destruction when they reach the shore. You must have seen that just recently there was cyclone alert in Gujarat. And every day in the news it was mentioning that cyclone is located in so and so position, because nowadays it is very easy to find out its position, detect its location by satellite. The weatherman constantly through their satellite observe the position and location and how far it has increased the speed of wind and how far it will cause destruction. Unlike earthquake, cyclone and like floods also can be predicted, and we nowadays, because of advanced technology, it is possible to shift people in those areas where cyclone is going to hit. Cyclones are formed over oceans and seas. Children, it is generally formed because there is hot air, and hot air is light. The water in the oceans and seas, they get heated up due to the heat of the sun, and as it gets heated, it has a tendency to rise. The hot warm water, they form moisture, they form vapor, and they rises, as I told you, explained that how the steam, when you put a kettle of water or a pan of water and you boil it, and it starts boiling and you can see steam rising up, it is moisture. Similarly, the water bodies, all the water bodies, especially the oceans and seas, because this large volume of water in those, they get heated up due to the heat of the sun, and they have a tendency to rise up, and it creates pressure and low pressure, and then the wind starts getting circle, and they start, after some time, they start moving towards the shore. Okay, so they are caused destruction. When they reach the shore, they are always accompanied by heavy shower and high speed of wind. The wind is not your breeze, it's high velocity of wind blows, which causes major destruction to the life and property. But thankfully, as I told you, nowadays, because of advanced technology, the disaster management can predict that cyclone is getting located in this so and so position, and these are the places will be affected, because when the cyclone gets matured, it comes towards the shore and it will cause heavy destruction. So people can be shifted, even the properties. I should not say that you can remove your houses or buildings or other things, but at least keep it in a safe position. Okay, yes, trees are uprooted when there is a major cyclone. Especially recently there were cyclones in Tamil Nadu, then were cyclones in even Maharashtra. Thankfully we were safe, it affected Maharashtra, but in Tamil Nadu, Odisha, West Bengal, these are the places where the frequent cyclones, which is gets in Bay of Bengal and moves towards the shore. But yes, life was saved, but trees are uprooted, which affected the electrical wires, and poles were broken, roads were damaged, communication services were disrupted. So this causes a lot of destruction, and the most important thing, the crops are destroyed because it is accompanied by heavy shower. West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat are prone to cyclone. These are the, especially you will find that each year Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, that side, means Bay of Bengal side, there is cyclone formation every year, which causes major destruction to the life and property. Okay, so we'll continue with what are the things we can do to when the cyclone hits us in the show. Thank you, children.